Hi, it's the team from Analysis Cloud again. Today we are in sunny Dublin city centre, bringing some more in-depth tech knowledge to share with you. We're starting up here on the North Wall Quay in the Docklands, and we're heading across the river on the Samuel Beckett Bridge.
Today I am going to talk about Fabric IQ. What is Microsoft Fabric IQ? We've all been there. You ask an AI agent a simple question,
like which customers are at risk of churning, and it gives you a mess or a list of names that doesn't match your actual sales data.
The problem isn't the AI. The problem is that your data is a mess of tables, rows, and cryptic column names that only a DBA could love.
But in 2026, that's changing. Today we're diving into Fabric IQ, the secret sauce in Microsoft's new IQ framework. It's essentially the business brain
that finally teaches AI how to speak your company's unique language. Let's break down how it works and why it's the backbone of the ecosystem.
At its core, Fabric IQ is a semantic intelligence layer. Think of it as a translator that sits on top of your massive data lake.
Instead of looking at a table called DBTXN99 and seeing numbers, Fabric IQ understands that those numbers represent an order.
It uses three main pillars. One, ontology. This is the dictionary. You define what a customer or a product means to your business specifically.
It knows a customer buys a product and that product lives in a warehouse. It's a map.
3, AI bindings. This is the muscle. It allows AI agents to actually do things, like monitoring a shipment and automatically rerouting it.
Now, Fabric IQ doesn't live in a vacuum. It's part of the new Microsoft IQ framework, which is the master plan for universal context.
Imagine your AI has three different brains. Work IQ knows your vibe, it's your emails, your Teams chats, and your calendar. It knows who you're talking to.
Foundry IQ is your library. It handles all your PDFs, manuals, and unstructured documents. Then there's Fabric IQ. This is your truth.
This is the structured data. Your revenue, your inventory, your hard facts. When you ask an AI to fix a supply chain issue, it uses all three.
It sees who's available via Work IQ, reads contracts via Foundry IQ, and checks shipping units via Fabric IQ. All connected in one unified framework.
So, why should you care? Because Fabric IQ solves the semantic drift problem. In the old days, like way back in 2024, definitions were a mess.
5 departments had 5 different definitions of what a lead was. When you'd ask an AI for data, it would get totally confused.
With Fabric IQ, there is a single source of meaning. When an AI agent triggers a workflow, it's grounded in your company's actual logic.
It doesn't just guess, it knows. This means less time cleaning data and more time actually using it to drive the business forward.
It turns Microsoft Fabric from a storage bucket into a living entity that truly understands what it's holding inside.
Fabric IQ is the bridge between big data and big intelligence. It makes the 2026 AI era feel more like a digital co-worker.
We're going to do a deep dive into setting up your first data agent in our next video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Please consider us for your website and app development needs. We are Irish after all.